Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In this today's session, we are going to solve 25 different examples in reasoning. Yesterday we covered entire numerical ability, almost we covered 25 different questions. If you miss those videos, just watch it. All the videos are available in my guys. In previous 2023, I covered all the topics quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning, and almost we solved more than 500 different examples. Go watch all those videos. Definitely, you can crack TCS NQT 2024 examinations. You must good at all the concepts of both means all the verbal ability, quantitative, and the logical. If you're good at a concept, you can able to solve all those questions. If you guys are new to our channel, just subscribe and share these information with your friends who are preparing for different examinations. Definitely, our content will help you preparation. So, without any delay, let's start our session. Guys, each and everyone solve these questions and post your answers in the comments. Logical reasoning is all about your understanding. Now let's see this question. How to identify that these diagrams satisfy one of the conditions is the suitable answer. We have first option stationery, staplers, and erasers. Second one is doctor or the sisters. Bureaucrats, men, women. Extroverts, men, and the hands. Guys, if you observe the information, we have a overlapping. Overlapping stands for we have a relation between the circles. Means if you consider any of the options, definitely there is a relation among the info. So definitely A is not at all suitable over diagram. Reason C, we cannot say that staplers are some of the staplers cannot be erasers. See, there is a common intersection means you have to define this is the stationary stapler and eraser. This is not at all possible. Let's go through the doctors. See, some doctors can be a father, some doctors can be a sister, but father and sister we cannot place into the same circle. That's why B is also not a suitable. Let's go through the bureaucrats, men and women, extrovert men and handsome. Men and women, we cannot see any overlapping in the picture. See, we need a overlapping in the picture. Now there is a possibility for this picture for D. Why? Because see, let's say that this is extroverts. Let's take this is men and let's take this is handsome. Yes, that is for the condition. Some extroverts are handsome, some men are handsome, some men are extrovert, and there is a handsome men people are extroverts. See, there is a intersection among all these three informations. That's why D is the suitable. As you should satisfy all these informations for your picture. That's what try to understand the given info. Let's go through this relation. Four number pairs have been given, out of which three are like in a some manner, one is different. So you just identify that what is that pair. So this is all about odd one out. So one is different, you have to identify that what is the difference. As you have to identify that what is the wrong one. Now if you observe all the options except A, these numbers are perfect square. The 15 square, the value of 11 square, this is 12 square. If you go through the previous number, sum of 7, 2, 3, some value is exactly equal to 12, square of that number gives 140. Again, if you go through that 8 plus 1 plus 2, so here the value becomes 11 square. The same way, sum of all the numbers, 5 plus 4 plus 6, some value is 15, square of that number is 2. And 258 is not at all a square number, right? A is the odd one. Clear? If you understand the info. Let's move on to the next one. Again, you guys tell me which one is the different pair when compared to the remaining one. First, see relation among 12, 121, 160. You know that 121 is 11 square, 169 is 13 square. What is the relation here? Whatever the first number, you have to add 1 unit and subtract 1 unit and consider square of those numbers. That is the relation. Let's go through these options. 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 square is equal to 140. 11 minus 1 is 10 square. 10 square must be 100. So this is wrong pair. Now again see 14 plus 1, 15. 15 square is equal to 220. 14 minus 1 is 13 square. 13 square is all about 169. Yes, it is also not satisfy the condition. Now 16 plus 1, 17 square, and 16 minus 1, 15 square. So it is also not satisfied. Now 17 plus 1, 18. 18 square is equal to 320. 17 minus 1, 16 square is equal to 2. Yes. Option D satisfied. Let's move on to the next question. Guys, everyone like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. I never expect anything other than your support. Just support our channel. Definitely, we are coming with new content. Let's go through these relations. Here, you should identify that according to the series, what is the next three alphabet. If you observe these four set of alphabeticals, C is the common. Now here see M, N, O, P, and definitely first letter is Q. N, O, P, Q, R. So here the answer is Q, C, R is the next question. The concept of dice. You must good at the concept, then only you can able to solve this. Remember that there is a concept here. One face is common. There is a two dice is given. We have a comparison. Let's take the comparison. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5. Now, in this observation, there is a one element is common. So, what is a common element here? 2 is the common element. 2 is the common element. Consider the cyclic notation. So, 2, 3, 1. The same way, second phase, consider the cyclic notation. 2 means 1 and 5 is opposite to each other. 3 and 4 is opposite to each other. There is a number left is 6. That's why 2, 6 is opposite. That is first one. Second one, if two faces is common. Two faces is common. Now again, these are the two dice is given. You observe that if two faces are common, see 2, 3, 2, 3 both are common. If two faces are common, remaining should be exactly opposite pair. Means 1 and 5 must be opposite to each other. And 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3 can be opposite of either 4. For example, if the question what is the opposite of 2? Opposite of 2 can be either 4 or 5. Opposite of 3 can be either 4 or 5. We are not sure with an exact answer when two faces are common. But if the question related for opposite of 1, we can able to see that it's a 5. If there is a no face is common, guys, if there is a no face is common, again you have to know the concept, then only you can. Now let's take this info. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is a no die is common. No face is common. Now if no face is common, then identify that what kind of dice these. So there is a two possibilities here. Either One is general die. So general die. So what about the concept of general die? General die means sum of opposite numbers. Sum of opposite number is 7. Definitely it is a general die. Right? Sum of adjacent numbers. Sum of adjacent is 7. It is a general die. Standard die. Standard die means sum of opposite numbers is 7. Then it is a standard. Guys, if adjacent is 7, it is a general die. Opposite is 7, it is a standard. According to the standard die, we can able to see that according to the rule, 1 must be opposite to the 6, 2 must be opposite to 5, and 3 must be opposite to. Now, if you go through that, here there are two dies, die A and die B. Die A is standard die. Why? Because if you check with any adjacent, adjacent is not at all sum 7. If adjacent is not 7, definitely it is a standard. Now, here second one is also standard die. Why? Because no adjacent sum is 7. It is a standard die, and 2 must be opposite to 5, 3 must be opposite to 4, and 1 must be opposite. You must know this concept. Once you know the concept, you can able to solve this kind of question. Dice concept. According to this question, what is the opposite of F? Now see, here there is a two letters. See, there is a one letter is common here, J. Just check with the notation J, F, I. The same way J, G, H. Now you can able to see that F is opposite to G. Is opposite to G is the correct. Yep. Let's move on to the next one. Now you have to represent which of the alphabetical should be replaced with the temporal. And understand the sequence here. Now see, now if you observe that J, L, N, P, T, so these are the alphabeticals which are repeated. Then you can able to recognize the sequence, guys. We need a sequence of P and T. We need a sequence of P and T. Now see P. Let's take P. Change the color to understand. See, we need P and T sequence. Now see P and T. Now see P and D. So P and D, JL, P and D, JL, P and D, E and D. So just observe the sequence, guys. See JL, P and D, JL, P and D. Now move on to the next one. Here the PV required, D required, L required, P, D, L. But we can able to see M here. We have a PD, we have a PD. First two letters are PD. Let's check with the next letter. M is also possible, right? The first two letters you can confirm P, E. Let's take with the M. Let's take with the M. Let's take with the M. Next one, see. Let's take with a J. Now see, J, N, P. Again, you can take here N, here O, here N. Now you can able to recognize the sequence based on P and D. So C is the correct answer. What is the number you should replace that question mark? All are perfect square numbers. See, 11 square, 10 square, 10 square, 17 square, and you should replace with that answer is 19 square. And you already know that 19 square is 306. Non-verbal, and definitely you can expect 3 to 5 different questions. Now this series question, select the option figure that is embedded in the given figure. Rotation is not at all allowed. Embedded means you can able to see these all options in this picture except one. So which one you cannot see in this picture. Rotation is not at all allowed. They clearly mention. Of the option you cannot see in this picture. That's my question. Embedded. You can see those picture in the bigger one. Yes. You cannot see this information. You cannot see this information in bigger picture. That's why A is not. Now you can't see these kind of lines. These are the lines are not available. So C is not available. And you cannot see these kind of shape in the given picture. D is not available. That's why here embedded picture. P. You can able to see this picture in the bigger one. So B is the correct answer. Very good knowledge. This is all about simplification. Be faster in these calculations. See, 45 equal to 24 multiplied with the 72 plus 20 divided by 12 minus of 7. Guys, we should follow the Potter's rule while go with any simplification. Potter's is all about bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and the subtraction. Now, just go through the simplification part. Can we get left hand side value should be a 45 or now see here 12 and 20 means definitely it is not exactly divisible by number. Definitely A is not a suitable answer. Let's check with the B. 45 into 24 divided by 72 is equal 20 minus 12 plus 7. Now 24 3 is 3 exactly 15. We get here 15 and 20 minus of 12. 20 minus of 12 is 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Yes. These are the symbols that satisfy the given condition. He is the correct answer. Now check with this rotation. Now select the option figure that is embedded in the given figure. Rotation is not at all allowed. So which one is embedded for this figure? I sorry, this is not an embedded. It's all about find the next picture. Find the not an embedded. Why? Because it rotated in a certain way or to identify. Now see, we need a triangle with a shaded one. So check with a shade. Here see, here there is a left side. Again it goes and definitely the triangle should be pointing in this way and it should be down pointed. And down pointed one. We have a one option available. That's it. There is all about how you understand the information. Let's go through this information. This is all about mirror image. Remember guys, if you check with any information in mirror, left become a right and right become a and first become a last become a. You see these all the alphabeticals and numbers in the mirror. First you will get T guys. You will get the two reverse. Option D eliminate same. M look like same. And P should be guys. So here P to become a P. Yes, this is also right one. And D right. And you can able to confirm with a 9 guys. If you think with a 9, 9 is always present in 9 is must be present in this way. So you can eliminate option A, eliminate. Since you can eliminate option A, then you can choose your option is. Don't look into the all the elements, guys. Just focus on few elements. You can able to understand. Go through this question. The monthly income of three cricketers, Ankit, Sanjay, Roshan, from different sources are in the ratio of 12, 9, and 7. And their expenditure in the ratio of 15, 9, 9 and 8. Ankit saved 25% of income for future investment. Sanjay and Roshan. Okay. They clearly mention that monthly income. income 12x, 9x, 3 is given, 15y, 9y, and 8y. What about their savings? 12x minus 15y, 9x minus 9y, and 7x minus 8. Now, how we are going to identify the xy value? See, we have information. Ankit saves 25% of his income for future income. Ankit saves 25% of income. 25% of income. That is the information we have in the calculation. Now, see, what is the Ankit saves? 12x minus 15. Ankit saves 25% means one fourth of income. Exactly equal to 3x. Just understand that this is saving. Savings is 12x minus 15y, right? Is exactly equal to 25% of income. Income is 12x. Now 12x minus 3x is equal to 9x. 9x is equal to 15. 3 3 is 3 5. Now you will get x by y is equal to 5. You can substitute here. X is equal to 5. 12 5 is 60. 15 3 is 45. You will get 15 units. Here 9 is a common. 9 2s are 18. Why? Because x minus y difference. Now 7 5 is 35. 8 3 is 24. Now the difference is exactly equal to 11. The respective ratio of their savings is 15, 18, and 11. Now you guys count that how many triangles are in the given figure. Now see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. The bigger one is 5. Let's go through these information. See, we have triangle 1, triangle 2. This is the triangle, right? If you combined it, you will get one more triangle. You can get one more triangle. See here, you can able to see three triangles. So you this is one. In the way, second base, and third one, fourth one. The same way we have a 3. See 5 means enter guys. Let's take with individual grid. This particular portion you have a 4. This particular portion we have a 3. If you combine overall picture, you will get one more triangle. That's the total number of triangles, sir. Go through this question. Try to solve this question. Answer for this question. Sorry, there is some technical quiz. Sorry for the income. Now see, you observe that this is a perfect square number, this is a perfect square number, and this is also perfect square number. Now, if you check with 8 minus 2 whole square exactly equal to 36. The same way, 11 minus 2 whole square is equal to 81. And which number we are subtracting, you will get 120. The 11 square, x minus 2 is equal to 11. Now the value you have to replace with the 13. 13 is the correct. Let's go through this question. Now see this question. See. We find the difference of 13 and 6. It's a difference of 7 units. 7 is multiplied with a 5 is 30. The same way, 34 and 12. Difference is 22. 22 into 5 is equal to 110. Now we need these number, guys. See, we need these number means if 60 must be divided by 5, 60 must be divided by 5, we need 12 units. So 12 is multiplied with a 5, it becomes 60. But we need a difference of 12 units means here 12 plus 9. Answer must be 20. Go through this logical deduction. Guys, everyone like our video and share with this information with your friends. Now see, all lockets are chains. 100% is all about all. All medals are lockets. All medals are lockets. Some rings are chains. Some rings are chains. This is an exact diagram. Now here the conclusion says that all chains are medals. All chains are medals. There is a all medals can chain, guys, but chain and medal we have is some relation. That's why it is invalid. See, all medals are chains, but we cannot define all chains are medals. Why? Because you can see that entire medal circle should be over means entire medal circle should be overlapped with the chain circle, but chain is not overlapped with the medal. Remember that. The comparison goes for outside. It is all about all relation and some relation. Both are same, guys. The arrow goes for downside, only some relation is a valid. Next one. All medals being a ring is a possibility. There is a no direct intersection between the diagram. That's why we can assume this kind of relation. Why? Because we can extend the picture. All medals can be ring is a possibility. All ring can be medal is a possibility. Both are possibilities, guys. According to this question, answer conclusion 2 is followed. Go through this blood relation question. Now see, there are two couples in a family. Family has two children. Madhurima is the wife of Om Prakash. Madhurima is wife of next information. Who is brother of money? Who means always deals with the previous person. Prakash is a brother of Pinky is the daughter of Kamali. He is the daughter of Pinky is a daughter of and Urmila is the sister of Sanju, who is son of Om Prakash. Who is the Who is the son of Om Prakash. Mila is sister of Sanju, who is son of Om Prakash. Tarun is the son of money. Tarun is the son of money. Tarun is the son of money. And who is male person? Money is the male person. Money is the male person. Komali has two children, right? Komali has two children. And we have a one information. He is the daughter of Pinky is the daughter of Komali. Pinky is the daughter of Komali. Now question here, how is Madhurima related to Komali? The Madhurima related to Komali. Now, guys, this is Komali. This is not Komali. This is Komali. They have a relation here. Mani must be married to Komali. The relation we have. And Komali has a daughter. Pinky. This is the final picture. And Pinky is the female. The question, how is Madhurima related to Komali? Remember that Madhurima related to Komali is the sister. Guys, husband's brother's wife is a sister-in-law. Remember that you don't know this kind of expression, but you should remember this one. So if you have your own brothers, their wife's relation is exactly equal to the sister-in-law. Remember that there are two own brothers. There is a their wife's relation is sister-in-law. Don't forget that you can expect these kind of relations in banking examination. Let's go through that. Select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of given words in order to which they appear in the English dictionary. Let's go through that English dictionary. First, we have HY is a common. Let's check with the next one. So P is the 16th letter, S is the next letter. Definitely, you can able to get P. So definitely, historically, it's not at all possible. And O is given here, O is given, and O is given. According to the alphabetical, so you will get first one is hypocret, next one hypodremic, next one we have a C, again we have a common letter OT, and we have a E and H. So definitely you will get fifth word in the third position. This is 4 and this is so 2, 1, 5, 4, 3 is the correct answer. This is alphabetical order. English dictionary. Now, the sequence of folding piece of paper and the manner which is folded paper has to be cut shown in the following figure. How would be appear look when it is unfolded? Guys, you should understand that how they are folded. Once it is open, then how it look like. Guys, first you have to open in this way. See, if you open in this way, you will get here exact square. You will get inverted triangle. Once it is open towards the right side, now you will get this reflection here. You will get the box here. You will get the triangles. You will get the triangle. You will get the box. This is an exact picture. Just go through the options. If you go through the options, you can able to see the answer. So we need these four elements in side by side. We need elements in side by side. Four boxes and four triangles. Boxes and four triangles. And B is not at all a suitable answer. Now we need this particular cutting shape, right? So it is not at all available in the option A. So answer option is the correct answer. Go through this information. Of Varanasi, Ganga, Mathura, Dash. Guys, you already know that. So Ganga river is situated in Varanasi. In the same way, Mathura is the place. So which river you can able to see in the Mathura is a Ganga. The simple answer you should aware of this info. You can able to see in Varanasi. Same way, Mathura is the place. So in Mathura, which river you can able to see? Let's go through the coding and decoding. Certain code language, inhale, INHAL, written as REIH, relation, IRNEHEADLEEH. Now, in the same way, how will be mighty coded as? If you understand the logic here, then you can able to apply for the same logic for mighty. What is the answer? And I you want the numbers see the ninth letter, 14th letter, 8th letter, first letter, 12th letter. This is the eighth letter, ninth letter, fourth letter, and here E is fifth letter, E is fifth letter, and this is 18th. Now, did you find any logic here? This is all about plus 3, this is minus 3, and plus 3. Now, move on to the next one. This is minus 3. Now, here N and E, I and R. The logic for Now see here we are adding, we have to add 9 able to see plus 3 minus 3 plus any other sequences. Guys, you miss the same relation from 1 and 2. But if you go through this interchange concept, now see minus 4 minus 4. Again, you can able to see minus 4 minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4. Same way, the concept of interchange. So ninth letter, 9 minus 4, fifth letter is 8, 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, fourth letter is minus 4, 1 minus 4. So minus 4, 5, plus 4. So I is 9, 9 plus 4, 13th letter. 13th letter is all about M. 13 minus 4, ninth letter. Ninth letter is all about I. Need MI. So MI, we have an option available is, now see, it goes in this way, guys. It goes in this. So it's a minus 4, plus 4, minus 4, plus 4, minus 4, plus 4, goes in. If you go through the same relation, you will get MILC. Guys, try this question. Giorgio, identify that which one is completely different than the remaining one. So try this question and push your answer in the, try to understand that what is the relation among those. The last question. In a certain code language, Raj is 87, Gita is 148. How is Varun is code? See, let's check with the Raj. R is the 18th letter, A is the first letter, J is the 10th letter. Go through the sum, you will get 29. But here given as 87. 27, 9 is multiplied with the 3, it becomes 87. Same way, Gita. Here G is 7, I is 9, E20, A1. Go through the sum, you will get exactly equal to 37, but you should multiply it with the 4 times. Then 4 is 28, 4 3 is 12, 1 4. Reason C. Sum of the alphabetical position is multiplied with the number of letters. Let's check with the word. This is the logic. 22, 1, 18. Q is 21. N is 40. 35 here. 22 plus 18 is 40 plus 1 is 41. The oral value is 76 is multiplied with a 5. Guys, if you want to multiply with any number is 5, remember that take off of this value. Off of this value is exactly equal to 38 is multiplied with 10, it becomes 3. If you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram channel. Search at the rate of V2VBK. You can get my channel, listen to me. This is my channel for another YouTube channel. So you can check all the content related for different competitive exams. V Pulse is all about placements, listen is all about all the. So you can get material from my Telegram channel. You can search. Follow us in the Instagram also. Search Vision to Victory. You can get my channel and you can follow my channel. I will update all the information in these social our channels and share with your friends.